Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Katō Matcha. We've been working with the Katō family for the past 10 years to bring Canada the best matcha. We've got 3 harvests and we're going to primarily talk about the summer harvest in this video and how to best prepare it as a latte, iced, or just by itself. So to make our matcha latte, we're going to create a base. So we're going to do 2 scoops of the summer harvest, and that translates to about 2.5 to 3 grams. Then we're going to top it off with about 30 to 40 milliliters of water and whisk it real vigorously. Make sure this water is around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to throw it in our cup. And in this recipe, we're making it for an 8-ounce matcha latte or cappuccino. Then we top it off with some smooth milk. We've got the summer harvest, but we've also got the spring and some new blends, specifically the Barista Matcha A, which is also another delicious option for cafes. All the way from the Katō family farm in Japan, this beautiful matcha has reached directly to my cup, and I'm so excited to give it a try. What I love about the summer harvest is that it really cuts through the milk, and it does exceptionally well as a hot matcha, but also as an iced matcha. And the recipe and steps are pretty much similar. Just don't steam the milk. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, bold, grassy, delicious, and it's just a great matcha latte. I love it. That's Katō Matcha.